Hello guys, I am 8Kra. Today's video is about dark mode and light mode switching themes with Tailwind CSS. Before we start the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks. Let's start. First, open new empty folder in the versus code, then open new terminal, then create your tailwinds.config file by running npx tailwinds init command. Then create src folder. Inside the folder, create input.css file. Add the paths to all of your template files in your tailwind.config.js file. Add the @tailwind directives for each of Tailwind's layers to your input.css file. Run the CLI tool to scan your template files for classes and build your CSS. Inside src folder, create index.html file. Before we start the theme switching, let's build small project. First, create nav tag, which h1 and button. Inside the button will be an image and span tag. Then we need card element. The card will have image and text. When we done the structure, let's style. First, link the output.css in the header. The nav tag width will be 80% and margin auto, padding 5 and display items flex, justify items between. Then the h1 text will be 2 extra large and font weight bold. Then the button will be display flex, then add space between them and background is light gray, add 5 horizontal padding and 2 vertical padding, then add border radius. Then set the image width and height 4. Then make the card vertically and horizontally center. To make that, set the div width 100% and the height 100 vh, then use flex to center. Then the card width will be 300 pixels and 350 pixels height. And add padding for background will be dark gray and text will be white. Then the card image width will be 100% and 50% height and object cover. Add 4 padding and some vertical space between the text tags. Now we done the structure and styling, let's move to theme switching. In this case, we need to toggle the nav button, the dark mode and light mode. So to make things work, add dark mode class in the tailwind.config file. Then in the index.html, add script tag in the bottom. Inside the script tag, create new function called dark mode handler. Inside the function, write this functionality. You can get the full documentation in the Tailwind CSS website. This function works like when button is clicked checks the local storage theme. If it's dark, then it will remove the dark class, and if it's not, then it will add the dark class. Then add the button on click event and pass it the function. So every time this button clicked, this function will be called. When we done the setup, let's modify the style and add our dark classes. So first, if the theme is dark, the body background will be dark gray, and the H1 text will be white. So now this is the interesting part. We need when button clicked to change the text and the image. So let's add the sun image and the span tag of the text light. This is trick. First, the sun image and the light text will be hidden, and when the theme is dark will be flexed to be displayed. And the moon image and dark text is the opposite of the others. It will be shown in the light theme and hidden in the dark. Then in the dark theme the card will be white background, and the text will be black. Then add white box shadow, and that is it. So make sure to subscribe the channel and comment what do you think about the video. Thanks for your watching.